Hello everyone, in today's video I'm going to show you how you can achieve this brown smoky eyes in very easy way. As you all know that I have a very dry skin, so I am taking strobe cream from MAC. Then I am taking oil primer from PAC Cosmetics and a moisturizer from PAC Cosmetics. I'm going to mix all three of them in a brush and apply that on my face to get that radiant and glow. So you all know how these days the glowy look is very famous, so this trick is very useful. To cover my dark circles, I'm taking MAC concealer palette and I'm not using orange concealer but the dark concealer in the palette, brown color, and applying that on my dark circles. And now I'm taking yellow concealer and applying it below the brown concealer because I have puffiness, so I am using yellow color so that it can balance my puffiness. Now I'm blending it nicely with the beauty blender. I have taken Forever 52 foundation. It is a full coverage foundation, but the problem in this was that it gets oxidized later on, which I realized later because I'm using it for the first time. I'm going to apply it nicely on my entire face and blend it beautifully so it looks nice. Blend it nicely with the beauty blender and now you can see that the dark circles and puffiness is covered. Now I'm setting my face with K Beauty banana powder. This is really lightweight and gives you a really great coverage on top of your foundation. I'm using Makeup Revolution Brow Pomade, deep brown color, and mixing it with Duraline from Inglot. I'm using Supra from Krylon to do my eye base, and I'm using Cuff and Lashes brushes. I've used all Cuff and Lashes brushes for this video. I'm taking shade Kitties from MAC palette as a transition shade and applying it lightly on my crease line to give that transition on my eye. Now I'm taking shade Cork from the same palette and applying it on the transition shade. Now it's time for the main color, so I'm taking Aromatic, which is the darker brown shade on the same palette, and applying it on the corner of my eyes deeply and blending it slowly on all over the eye to give that brown smoky look. Now I'm taking the shade Rice Paper to highlight the highlighting point and also the inner corner of the eye to give that little glow on the eye look. We will be doing the same procedure of eye shades on the lower lash line also. So the same light shades first and the darker shades later. Now I'm taking the Kiko Milano mascara and applying it on my lashes. Don't forget to apply mascara on your lower lash line to give that defined look, and it looks really nice in the smoky eyes. Now I'm using my Glam brown eyeliner in the shade Nutmeg and Espresso. Actually this is 2-in-1. One side it is a liner and the other side it's the brow product. Now it's time to shape the eye with the favorite Maybelline Eye Studio Kajal, Gel Kajal, and I'm going to do it on lower as well as the upper lash line. Setting everything with the Swiss Beauty Makeup Fixer, and it's time to glow. So I'm using MAC Cosmetics Soft and Gentle highlighter. This is my favorite highlighter and you can see that it's so beautiful. There is a tip to use this highlighter. Either you should use your finger or use your real hair brush, makeup brush. It will give you 100% more coverage and shine and glow. Sorry friends, I forgot to capture the lipstick thing because I have not used any lipstick. I have used the lip liner from PAC Cosmetics and I am topping it up with the ColourPop gloss, which you can see. So this is the final look friends, and I hope you enjoyed this. It's a great makeup look for the beginners. I will catch you later. Till then, take care of yourself. Bye bye.